Welcome to today's sessions about the introduction for the Fusion 360 software. Uh, yeah, in the today's session, the topics to be covered to create a sketch basis of the sketching in the Fusion 360 by using the simple sketches. You can able to create a sketches, create a 2D sketches by using the Fusion 360. These are the outcomes you can able to do watching the video. Okay. Yeah. I'm just mentioning that these are the simple sketches we are going to see in this video. We'll just open. Yeah, these are the sketches that have been available in the workbooks. Okay, just I am going to explain how to create these four sketches in the Fusion 360. Okay, yeah. After it includes that, just I need to mention that open the Fusion 360 in a system or laptop to convenience to follow the further step in the I have done in this video. Okay, yeah. Yeah, for the new user, just sign in your account in the Fusion 360 software. In the next video, you will see about the account creations. Okay, just I am showing what are the sketches I am going to share in this session. I think I hope you're able to see my screen right. Okay. Yeah, by following these further steps, you can able to open this Fusion software. Just by clicking on it, you can able to open the Fusion software. After installing that, if you need if you have any error in the installation, just please put your queries in the chat box. I will explain you. Okay. Yeah, if maybe some of them will have some issues because by creating the account, by creating the possibilities and all. Okay, for that you can just put your queries in the chat box. It will be easier to I will directly explain you with the particular one. Okay, just stick on to the plan. Just I am going to create this first sketch in the Fusion 360 software. Before that, just just sign in your account and it will be open the Fusion 360 software. The user's interface will be look like. I'm just showing to you the user Fusion 360 user interface will be look like this. Okay, this it will be take some time. Just yeah, I think it's opening. Yeah, I think these are the user interface of the Fusion 360. Just I am clicking on that design. There will be multi number of works which will be available in the Fusion 360. And then I am going to create a sketch. By creating the sketch, just click on the create 2D sketch option. Just click whatever the plane you need to be sketched, because these are the three planes are available in the all type of software. These plane are the main. Okay, just clicking one of the plane and just click on that plane. It will be directed into yes 2D sketches. These are the available option in the Fusion 360 software. Just create, modify, constraint, and then we'll see about more in the by sticking to a lesson plan. Just I am going to create a rectangle. Just I am selecting the rectangle, just set the rectangle, and then just I am creating the rectangle. By creating that rectangle, we can mention the dimension by here itself, or else we can use the sketch dimension option to create a dimension. Just I am using the tab option just to mention the dimension in the sketch. Okay, whatever mentioned in the sketch, just I am creating that, and then the sketch will be created. Just I am using the another circle because the sketch represented a circle with this rectangles. Okay, just I am creating the center point rectangle using the center point circle. I'm just creating as per the dimensions given in the sketches. Just it will be 20 diameter in the diagram has been mentioned. Just I am creating that. Just click on the dimensions will be automatically mentioned. Just if I am just dragging it to for the good looking surface, which is I am drag it out and then make it shows like it will be a good intro, because the good impression is the best. Okay, that's the way I am dragging to that and keeping the dimensions will be apart. Okay, for by creating a center rectangle and the center rectangle and the circle. After that, we need to create that four circles in the sketches. Okay, by creating this, just just mention the dimension what have been mentioned in the diagram. Just for the radius, it will be 6, and then is notify that the intermediate dimension like 26 dimension. I will explain you about that. Okay, how to create that. Okay, yeah. Okay, just I'm going to create option just using the point option, because it will be easier to create the or been mentioned in the diagram. Just I am going to place the 4 points in the sketches, rectangle sketches. Okay. After creating the points, just use the sketch dimension option. Okay. The interruption lines you can able to delete it. For me it will be interrupting. I am deleted that. Just I am going using the sketch dimension option, or else use the shortcut D. Okay. After using that, just I am clicking the two endpoints, or the center point and the created point, and then just clicking on that I can able to mention the diagram as per mentioned in the diagram. Okay. Just I am mentioning all the dimensions whatever it will be mentioned in the diagram. It will be created by these options. Okay. Just I am creating all sides. Yeah, by creating all this, best for the vertical type I have mentioned the diagram, and then for the horizontal type you need to check the dimensions once again, because the distance will be mentioned as a 13. For this type this side distance it will be mentioned as a 26. I am just checking out the dimension, and then enter the 19 value into in the dimensions in the sketches. Okay, I'm just mentioning all the dimensions about the vertical horizontal sections. Yeah. Yeah, I think later just I am dragging that it will be shows like inclined. Okay, just I am just aligning what are the dimensions will be there. Just and then use the circle option, just clicking on that, just to mention because the diagram represent the radius 6. For this so I am using a diameter, so it will be converted as a 12. Okay, just I am using the option, and then use the move copy option. It's one of the options to create a copy easily. Just I'm clicking on that, and then just clicking on the point to point contact, and just clicking on the origin by center, because I'm selected mismatchly. Just I am selecting that into origin point as per mentioned the circle, and then the target point. This target point I need to create a circle. Just clicking on that and then create copy, and then give okay. Duplicate of the sketches will be created. Okay, and then I will show you other another options like mirror option. Mirror option is available in to create a multiple number of circles in a single itself. Just selecting the mirror option, just I need to select the two circles, because I need a four circles in the sketches. Just I am selecting a circle, it will show the mirror line, because the mirror line is the interface line, because that will mean to create some line. Just I am using the line option, and then use the construction, because the construction line will be non interfere in the sketches. Okay, just I am creating this line as a construction, and then just giving the finish sketch. Sorry, not give finish sketch, just using the mirror option. Just select select those circles, and then select the mirror line. It will be created. These are the two easiest steps to create a copy, and then create a mirror the circle in the sketches. Okay, as per the stick to the plan, I have created the what are the mentioned in the diagram represented in this workbook. Yeah, these are the basic sketches have been created. The particular dimension. Make sure that you use the particular dimensions as a good view. For looking at it, it will be a good view. It will be represent what are the customers or requirements will be available. It will be easier to look. Okay, it's a fine like a continuous sketches. After that, you can save your design. Okay, save whatever your particular name, you can save it that, and then because saving is a good option to everything. Okay, just every single sketch you have been created, just click on the save button. You will be saved as it will be easier to, without any fault, you can do able the sketches and do the components. Okay, yeah, by sticking onto the plan, I need to create the next sketches. Just a minute. Yeah, I have already selected this particular pen to create the second sketches. Okay, by sticking the plan, the second sketch will be second sketch will be this. This is the second sketch I am going to create in this this is sketch will be created in the this is the second sketch I am going to create in the Fusion 360. Yes, I am mentioning as the dimension what I have been mentioned. I am noted into the rough copy, and then I am clicking the I entered into this 2D sketch part, and I'm just creating the line using the line, because in this sketch we can going to use the simple line sketch itself, because we know to use a rectangle whatever it is, we cannot be able to, just line is enough for this sketches. Okay, just I'm just what I mentioned in the diagram, just I'm going to create in the sketch. Just I need to mention you some one option, because what kind of error the students will be faced at the particular point. Okay, just watch the video. Just I am clicking on the sketch dimension and then mentioning the dimension, what are the dimensions will be created. Okay, mentioned in the diagram. Just I'm clicking on that and just mentioning diagram. See, after mentioning the diagram will be changed, the sketches will be changes to a particular position. It will be changed. You can't able to change the original position. Just I'm deleting the extra lines, and then I'm just deleting the extra lines, and then just click on the dimension and particular dimension. Whatever you're creating, first create a sketch and then enter the dimensions in the particular point, because it will be make some issues, like at the end of the sketch you will make some issues, you need to delete all type of just that's the thing I need to explain in this video, because some students will be face some general issues like at the end only, and then they will be deleted all the points. Just note on this point. Okay, and then I apply stick to the diagram. I am using that I mentioned the dimensions for the two lines have been placed in the bottom, and then just creating a line to a particular inclined angle, just creating that, and then creating the horizontal line, and then connect it to the particular point. Okay, at the incline at the end point, just the sketch will be created. To mention the dimension, just use the sketch dimension option. Just what are the dimensions will be mentioned in the diagram. Just click on that and give them dimension. It will be moved as particular point. Okay. If you over constraint, constraint will be over. It will be mentioned that way dimension will be over constraint. Just delete that, or else no create the over dimensions. Okay. After that, I am going to give the vertical height of the component, because it will be over exceeded. And just what are the mention the value in the diagram, I am created with a particular dimension in the sketches. This sketch has been created with a particular dimension. I am going to use another option, like I am going to show that use more copy to, because the whatever the sketch you have been created, it will be placed at the center only. It will be good looking for the customers, or also what are the professors you have been showing. These are the good point. Before that, you need to place a point, because by placing the point only you are able to create the move your sketch into a particular point. I am already created the center point in the diagram. I'm just going to click the origin point and target point as a center point. Just selecting that, the diagram will be moved and placed at the center point, because it will be good looking, because I am created a sketch at the particular point. It will be not looking nice, but by moving the sketches into the center point, it will be good looking as a good as well as enough. Okay, good as well as enough. Like due to some time constraints, I have been created and then not really as a good. Okay, these two sketches have been, you can practice in your own system and laptop. Just stick to the video. Okay, and then the balance two sketches I cannot able to create at the time due to time constraint. I can able to do that. The further sketches have been sketches from the upcoming videos. If you have any query suggestion in the put in the comment box, and like and for more videos, subscribe the channels. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Yep. If you have any more other queries, just mention your in the chat box. I will explain you later. Okay.